So we've started another week with an old microphone that didn't work. I think at this stage I'm going to have to go through the route of getting a wireless microphone system and just add it in post. Antenna on the bike was from the weekend. I was helping the Galway Radio Experimenters Club with a Galway walking club marathon walk. I was dying from the heat. I don't know how the people walking were doing it. But it was a great event and we got a few experiments done, as we always do. I'm under supervision because I hold a UK intermediate license. Until I do my full test, I can't actually use a radio here in Ireland. Weather's been fairly good, although I haven't actually got out on the bike much. Just a bit too warm for me. Anything over 22, 23 degrees I don't like. Anything over 26 degrees I start falling asleep, even when I'm driving, so I tend not to. Of course, us Irish, we're not built for temperatures like that. Of course, it just made the roads full of visitors driving at the unofficial speed limit of 50 or 60 kilometers an hour everywhere, and just stopping without any notice. Can't complain, it's good to have them, but I just wish they'd be a bit more aware of their surroundings. But anyway, I'll leave it at that. This video should go out tomorrow. I'm a little bit behind actually with recording. But anyway, I'll let you enjoy the rest of the drive. And I'll speak to you next week. This is TheCivvie out.